Hi folks, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you for stopping by to check out this video today. And in this video, I'm really talking about getting started with the Instant Cash Solution program. Okay, we've got something real exciting that we want to share with you. And as you can see here, with this program, you'll learn how average people are making $3,000 to $5,000 per month using this very, very simple system. Okay. Now, if you can post ads on Craigslist, on Facebook and Instagram and Pinterest and some of the other social media sites, then you can make a really great income with this program. Man, you can also use safe lists and viral marketing systems. So there's a lot, okay, that's involved in this program, but very simple ways for you to advertise and for you to make money. And guess what? All of the information is contained within this very system. So stay with me for the next few moments. Okay, I'm back. Getting started with Instant Cash Solution. So let's talk about a few things, okay? And I posed this question because, just to provoke some thought. And the question is, what is Instant Cash Solution, or ICS, and why does it matter? Well, why would this information matter to someone? Well, if people are looking for a great home-based business, a way to make some extra money, okay, a way to begin to build wealth, all right, to make money online, to make money from home, then this is really an exciting program to learn about. Okay. And so let's look at this together. It says ICS is a brand new program that launched in July of 2018. The Instant Cash Solution was created by a marketing professional whose whole goal was to create a simple copy and paste system to help others make money online from home. That's really what it's all about. Okay. Best described as an income opportunity, ICS is a direct sales membership site, okay, with a one-time $100 to $300 membership fee is paid member to member, okay. And so there are three levels, okay, that you can come into the program. One is the $100 level, one is the $200 level, and one is the $300 level. And there's a one-time membership, there's a one-time administration fee that you'll have to pay, and that's it. And that's a small administration fee, okay. And the thing about that is that you can upgrade. If you had to come in at the $100 level, that's fine, okay. You come in at the level where you're comfortable, and you can always upgrade further down the line. You might want to come in at the highest level if you can, and if you can't, you come in at the $100 level. Okay, so that's how that works. Nothing real complicated at all. Very simple system. Okay. Now, here's another question that I'd like to pose to you, and that is, would you spend? Okay, would you spend? $100 one time. Okay, with the small admin fee, if it meant, okay, that you would never have to struggle financially again. Now that's something to think about, okay? And that's what this system can do for you, okay? If you could earn unlimited instant 100% commissions for every sale you make, would you spend $100 one time, okay? Discover how you can make a full-time income from the comfort of your home and never worry about money again. And hopefully, you're going to take a look at what this program is about, because it is something. It's very well put together, very well done for you. Okay, business in a box. It's a micro franchise opportunity where everything is there for you to become successful. I love this quote here. It says by Zig Ziglar. It says, "You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great." Wonderful quote by Zig Ziglar. Okay, so let's move on. And here's another great quote for you. and it's by Stephen King. It says the scariest moment is always just before you start. Now think about that. You know, people are kind of timid sometimes. Okay, I've been there, done that myself. A little afraid, but you know, fear holds people back. Okay, fear will stop you from dreaming. Okay, or at least going after your dreams. Okay, and sometimes we have fear, we have doubt, we have unbelief. Sometimes we think, I wonder if this program is going to work for me. Oh gosh, well, it's working for everybody else, but can it work for me? Guess what? This system will work for you if you work the system. Okay, and so we've got something very powerful and very real here with the Instant Cash Solution Program. Think about the real potential to earn $100 to $300 plus per day. Okay, very real with this opportunity. Yes, you'll have to do a little sharing with people, but thank goodness you don't have to do any selling or telling about the system itself. You just want to let people know, hey, there's a system out here, okay, that you can get started with, and you can make some really good money. Basically, what I'm doing for you today. Okay, now let's look at this together. Let me get my face out to place. All right. What do I need to start making money with this program? Okay. ICS is perfect for newbies and those with little to no technical skills by simply copying the pre-written ads and posting them on the online classified ad sites. And we have many of them, okay, in the back office and your training. Okay, you get all of that information. You can use SafeList, you can use viral marketing systems. I mean, anything that's very simple to use. Okay, we have all the ads, all the pre-written ads, Facebook, Craigslist, everything already done for you. Okay, how to use it, how to go about making sure that you're using like Craigslist correctly and all of those things. Okay, now if you can copy and paste ads, then you'll earn $100 to $300 for every customer that purchases an ICS membership from you. When a payment is made, you, the sponsor, will receive your payment right into your account. Okay. You'll also receive an email notification letting you know that you have just signed up a new member. Okay. Now, please note, your new ICS member will automatically be redirected to the ICS members area, so you don't have to do any hand holding or training. Okay, and I love that because, you know, and I don't mind helping people because I really do love helping people. But what I like about the system, you know, is that if somebody needs some help, so you can point and direct them to the information, and so they can go and look at the information for themselves. And if they need some help after that, then guess what? You'll be there. I'll be there to help you and to assist you. But it's so simple, most people will not need any kind of help. Okay, and that's the wonderful thing about the system. Okay, because here it is. Look at this. Everything our members need to build a profitable ICS business is located in the ICS members area. Folks, this is absolutely very powerful. All right. Now, check this quote out. I love this quote. The first step to anywhere is deciding you're not willing to stay where you are. I just think that bears repeating. Okay. The first step to anywhere is deciding you're not willing to stay where you are. Now, what I want to do is leave you with one quote before I get out of here, and it's this right here. In order to win, you need to begin. So get started today. At least get the information. At least take a look at this program and see what we have to offer you with the ICS system. Okay, and then when you're going to access the information, I'm going to leave my link. You can access the information, and I'm going to share some things with you. All right, and some motivational things, inspirational things. All right, and of course you can opt out anytime, but get the information. All right, check everything out, and if you're serious about making some money, thing. You can be serious about the instant cash solution business opportunity. I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off, wishing you a blessed and wonderful and magnificent day today. Bye-bye now. Oh, subscribe. Okay, if you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, subscribe today and hope to see you real soon. Bye-bye now.